Welcome back to my channel, and I know I haven't been posting recently, and that is because I get carried away while doing projects, but I don't think it would be for so long. So let me explain. I started working on this project, the COVID data getter project. Then I got carried over to another project, which was a file renamer doer thingy. I started doing that, and in the middle of it, I made an Instagram bot, which is still not complete, by the way. And right now, in the middle of the Instabot, I started learning NLTK for natural language processing. I know, very complicated. Videos will be coming back, most probably. I don't know. Okay, so today we have a project. It is COVID data getter. So what it basically does is gets the COVID-19 data of any country that you put in, and then it returns the data, and you can compare the two most recent countries. Okay, so for this we're using the COVID module, matplotlib for like graphs and stuff, and pandas. I don't think I use pandas. I tried using it, but then it was complicated, so I think I deleted it. I don't remember. Okay, so the COVID object. Then this is the method to get the first country. So it is country wants is where's the name of the country dot title. So first one is uppercase, and then we're getting a blank line. If country wants is UK, then it becomes United Kingdom. USA, US or America, it becomes US, and then UAE becomes UAE. And I don't think UAE is actually in the database because I tried it with UAE, United Arab Emirates, it wasn't working. So country got is COVID.getStatus by country name. It returns the status, and then we're bringing it out, the name. Then we have total confirmed cases, total deaths, total recovered, current active cases. There's also a lot of other things which you can get, which I'll show right now. Python from COVID, import COVID, and COVID is the COVID, and then I can do COVID dot get status by country name, and as an example I just pass in India. Okay, so it returns an ID, the country name, confirmed active deaths, recovered, the latitude and longitude, and the last update, which is basically the last time this database was updated. So let's get out of there. And then this is the base to display, and we print it out and then we format it. So name is country guard of country, confirm, blah blah blah. And if it is none, then cannot find country, want to try again. If yes, then recursion, run this function again. If no, then pass, and then we're returning the country once, which is basically the country he got. Now, for the second country, if they want to get the data of another country, it's here. We're passing country, we're passing the country wants to the function get country2. It takes the C1, country wants is where the name of the country, blah blah blah, basically the same. And then it's want compare. Do you want to compare the two countries? If you say yes, then it runs the function to compare. If you say no, then ask you want to get the data of another country. If yes, then recursion get country1, blah blah blah. It's basically the same. Now we have country1 stats, then we have country2 stats, and here we're just printing it out. We're converting it into percentage and seeing which country has higher deaths and confirmed and recovered and active, all of that. And then we are also displaying them in a stacked bar chart way. So we're just having a matplotlib simple bar chart. Then we're rebuilding it, but here we are passing it at the bottom. The second country is now at the top, and I'm just remove this color. And then we're just putting the label, allowing the legend to show. Then we're plotting it and showing the result. Then we're calling the getCountry1 function. So if I do python main.py, so now what is the name of the country? India. So you can see India, total confirmed cases, total deaths, recovered and active. So this was the base to display, which we're actually formatting right over here. See this base to display, new line characters, then we're formatting it and displaying it like this. Would you like to get the date of another country? Yes. And let's do Spain. So it shows the data for Spain. Then it asks, would you like to compare the two countries? Yes. Wait for it. Boom. So first let's go here. India has 473.98% more confirmed cases than Spain. This. India has more cases than Spain. And here it displays it in a stacked bar chart where you can see the legend tells us orange is Spain, blue is India. So this is what a stacked bar chart looks like. It's basically displaying that. If I quit it, the function stops running. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new, haven't also already, subscribe to the channel, absolutely free, coding videos all day. And also, the code for this project is in my GitHub or on my GitHub page, link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. I've been Abeer Rao. Thanks for watching.